Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to arrange lots of images from different categories in a really short and narrow real estate in your website. To arrange many photos from different categories, we will use tabs. So how we will create multiple tabs in a really narrow real estate in your website, we will see here in this video. We will achieve this tabbed element by using Ultimate Blocks plugin. So let's see first how it works, and then I'll show you how to install it. Let's get started. First, go to WordPress dashboard. From here, let's create a new post. Let's name it like tabbed gallery. Here, I'll add tabbed content block provided by Ultimate Blocks. I can add block by typing / or clicking on plus. I'm clicking on plus here and searching for tabbed content. Just click on tabbed content, and here's you will get a tab, and by clicking on plus, you can add more tabs. So let's rename these tabs shortly. First one would be rivers, it is landscape, third one is beach. Now I have renamed the tabs, and here interesting part begins. In the tab section, you can type / to choose a block. I mean, you can add another block in this block. So let's add gallery block by typing / search gallery. Here is the gallery. And from here, you can upload or you can add from media library. I'm adding it from media library. As I mentioned rivers, so let's add rivers. I'll add 6 pictures from rivers. Click here, create a new gallery, and just insert gallery. Okay, see here all the rivers image are arranged. So from here you can customize your gallery block as usual, like you can set your column, you can change the resolution, and so on. Now we have added rivers image in our rivers tab. So let's add landscape. Again, type / or click plus. Now let's click plus and search for gallery. Here is the gallery, and click on here and click on media library. I'm adding some landscape here. So let's find some landscape like this. Again, I have added 6 and create a new gallery, insert gallery. And see, here we have added our landscape images, and last the beach. By following same procedure, you can add beach images too. So we have successfully added our images in 3 categories. Let's see how it works in live scenario. Click on here and preview in new tab. See, here's the post that I've created tabbed gallery, and here is our categorized gallery. Like, there are lots of customization options, and which is very easy to understand. I think you can explore it as your own. So let's see how to install this plugin. Go to WordPress dashboard, and from here go to plugin and add new plugin. And from here search plugin, which is Ultimate Blocks. Okay, see, here is the first plugin is Ultimate Blocks. I have already installed it, so I don't need it to install again. You can install it from here, and then you need to activate it, and all good to go. So that's it for today. If you think this video is helpful, please share this video. And if you want to receive weekly basis WordPress tips and tricks videos, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.